In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom branded calendars using Gemini AI to match your design. We'll walk through setting up your workspace, researching accurate holidays, and crafting a clean, original calendar that mirrors your brand's style while staying highly readable. Start by opening your Gemini account and getting into a fresh conversation. Click the plus icon to start a new prompt. Upload your reference image here, not to copy it, but to help Gemini understand the visual language you want: color relationships, typography vibes, spacing, and overall aesthetic. You're using it as style inspiration only, not as a background or a layer. Before you generate anything, pause to research holidays. Perform a web search for all official holidays and notable observances in March 2026 for France. Use up-to-date, trustworthy sources and cross-check at least 2 references to ensure accuracy. Keep a concise list of the exact holiday names and dates. This verified data will guide the calendar markings and keep your result correct and useful. Now, build your prompt. Tell Gemini to design a completely new square calendar in a 1:1 format for March 2026, created from scratch. Specify that it should adopt the visual language gleaned from the reference, colors, fonts, spacing, and decorative touch, but must not use the reference image as a background or overlay. Emphasize a clear, functional layout, a large month name at the top with smaller year text just below it. Ask for a clean, legible date grid that fills the canvas edge to edge, with any visible previous month dates shown subtly and muted to avoid clutter. Include your verified holidays and instruct Gemini to mark them prominently without compromising readability. Keep the design balanced. Use consistent spacing and typographic hierarchy so weekends and weekdays are easy to scan. Note that the country name should not appear anywhere in the design. The focus is on clarity and consistency, so prioritize contrast between text and background, and choose weights and sizes that are easy to read at a glance. When your prompt is ready, submit it and wait patiently while Gemini generates the design. If the first result needs refinement, adjust the prompt by clarifying color intensity, font weight, spacing, or holiday emphasis, then run it again. Repeat the same approach for other months. Research that month's accurate holidays first, update your prompt with the new dates, and generate an original square calendar that follows the same branded aesthetic and layout rules. This keeps your full year set cohesive, professional, and on brand.